Good morning, everyone. My name is Amanda Bella Cantuno Velas from Water Lily Tribe Development Center. Today, I'm going to share with you my drawing about this theme, the year Sapipan Sama-sama sa nutrisyon sapat para sa lahat. My drawing, there are so many fruits and vegetables. This is a milk, eggs, apple, orange, watermelon, grapes, fish, carrots, meat, and chicken. Pagkaon, o healthy foods para mamutag stronger, be bright, and be healthy. Do not eat junk foods, candies, chocolate, and lollipops para di ka masakit. Ang pagkaon para sa government, sa mata, mommy, baby, mommy, dada, buros, og lolo, og lula. Sa atong government, daghan kaay mapalit barato para tanan healthy, strong. Thank you.
Yay! No, so cute. So yeah.